Welcome to Turtle Stop Farm. This is a tutorial on how to build a fire in the wood burning stove. You're going to need 4 ingredients. Newspaper, which will be found in this bin. Ball it up. More newspaper is delivered every Sunday. A couple pieces of fat wood. Only 2 pieces are needed to build a fire. They're highly flammable. Some kindling. I scavenged this kindling around the property on the grounds. And seasoned firewood, which you'll find on the porch. Okay, first use this Allen wrench to open up the doors. Like this. First put in the paper. Then the kindling and fat wood. And finally, the firewood. Try to crisscross it so that there's plenty of airflow through the wood. There we go. Then I like to close one of the doors. Like the newspaper. And partially close the doors so that there's a crack where airflow can go through the fire. A couple key things. When you're first starting the fire, make sure this lever here is to the right. This maximizes airflow and the heat of the fire. Secondly, make sure the ash drawer door is locked and closed. Let's take a look. It lit pretty fast. Now, things shifted a bit, so I'm going to use this hook to get it back in place. There we go. Once the fire is good and going strong, then you can close the doors and even close the airflow, which will cause the fumes to burn and be highly efficient. At this point, I also like to add more wood through the top door. Step on the lever on the right-hand side of the stove. For those of you who are wood burning stove enthusiasts and would like your fire to burn long and hot through the night, for example, you need to close the flue. The place to close the flue is the rear right-hand side of the stove, where I have put the Allen wrench tool right now. You pull it upward. And now the flue is closed. Hi, it's the next morning and I'm going to show you how to clean out the stove. So there's a bucket out on the porch next to the wood pile. This is the ash bucket. First, shovel the ashes out of the main area of the stove. You can also push them through the grate so they go down below into the ashtray. Below is a door with the ashtray. Please only put ashes in the ash bucket, no trash or cigarette butts, as I compost these ashes. The ash bucket goes out on the porch.